Up. Again, I shot this a lot, so sorry, I'm out of breath. So let's just get on to the next squishy dare. So my next squishy dare is to cover up a puni Maru squishy in slime. I'm so scared because I love this squishy and I paid a lot of money for it. So I'm just hoping it does not get ruined. And this is a little stickier slime, so, oh God. I hope it comes off. Okay, it comes off perfectly, so that was a success for me. So, sorry, just making, okay, so our next squishy dare is to rip a squishy. Again, like I said, for the third time, I already did this video and it deleted, so so I already ripped it, but I'm just gonna rip it again. God. Oh my God, it's so tough. Literally, the head was easy. Okay. That's the best I could do. It's very hard and tough. Let's get on to the next squishy dare. Sorry, just touching it up. So, I was planning to do a duct tape a squishy, but I've done that already and I do not want to ruin more squishies. This is what I've already done and I know I'm going to ruin the other squishies. So I'm actually going to do a different squishy dare and just wait and see. So some of you guys might not know what this is, but it's called a laundry chute. You just put like laundry down this chute thing and it goes to the basement. I'm actually going to see what happens if I throw a squishy down there. So I just hope it doesn't break anything. Bye, squishy. Okay, let's go see. Okay. So, oh, hi, Charlie. So, I got the penguin. It was in this. That's the chute. So, I'm thinking of another squishy dare of doing, and I actually have thought of one, so I'm just going to do it. So, what I'm going to do with this squishy is make it beautiful again. So I have these sprinkles and let's make it beautiful. Beauty. Let's paint it now, make it more beautiful. So now this red paint I'm gonna put over this. Oh my God, it's not coming out. Make it beautiful. This is not doing anything, the red. Use like some makeup. So, this is the sorry about background noises. This is how it turned. It's so beautiful. Again, sorry about background noises. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and again, comment down below. Which is, I don't know what I told you to comment down below, but just comment. I am thinking about giving a squishy giveaway, and don't worry, they will be very good squishies. And I will be giving away a Cafe Barison Toast squishy. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is like all my videos, subscribe, and leave a comment. #watermelon, #watermelon squad. Have a nice day.